skinny, defenseless Stiles.
Where's your usual partner in crime?
Who, Scott? Scott's home.
I think he was gonna kill my dad. I can't lose both of my parents, all right? Not both of them. Why can't you trust anyone?
Because you trust everyone!
Say you believe me.
Stiles, we can't kill people that we're trying to save. Say you believe me.
It's you. It's all you, stupid kid on my own. This hyperactive little bastard who keeps ruining my life.
He's trying to kill me.
I saw her lying in that hospital floor. Stiles. You killed your mother.
Remember what the dementia does?
You killed her.
Gives you delusions.
And now you're killing me.
Want to. Okay, right, so believe me then.
Scott, you're my brother. Scott, you're my best friend. Okay, and I need you.
I can't believe you do this to my best friend.
I want to help, you know. But I can't do the things that you can do. I can't. It's okay.
You think I had a choice? There's always a choice. Yeah, well, I can't do what you can, Scott.
So what's the punishment for killing a chimera? I'll lose my best friend.
Some of us have to make mistakes. Some of us have to get our hands a little bloody sometimes. Some of us are human.
So Stiles, great kid, zero ability to focus, super smart, never takes advantage of his talents.
Stiles getting hurt? It was my fault. I won't be able to protect you. I can't protect anyone.
Why are you looking at me?
What do you want me to do, okay? Scott, just tell me how to fix this, all right? Just tell me, what do you want me to do? What's that? What, you got claws, I got a bat. Scott's my best friend now. Nope, but he's not my best friend for life.
Doesn't that just happen sometimes?
Yeah, but only because we let it happen. You know the plan, okay? No one gets left behind. That's the plan.